In this video, I will explain to you 5 international recognized service. Good morning, good afternoon or good evening whenever you are watching this video. I am AB from the Restaurant Academy, American or plate service. In this service style, the food is plated in the kitchen by the chef. The waiter picks up the prepared plate and serves the guest directly, right side, clockwise and with protocol. The service is suitable for advantages of American service: fast, guests get what they order, portion control and platter service. Disadvantages: difficult for the waiter to carry hot plates, food waste, gourmet or side table service. In this service style, fetch the plates with or without reshots depending on the food being served and leave on the gourmet. Stack on reshot if hot or 2 stacks of gourmet are cold. Stack on reshot if hot or 2 stacks on gourmet if cold. Fetch number 2. Fetch the platter from the kitchen, present to the guest explaining the food, leave on gourmet with or without reshots. The waiter prepares the food in front of the guest with the spoon in one hand and a fork in another. Plates are prepared here one by one. If the food is hot, then served right side clockwise with protocol, or by 2 if cold. A rapid service with well presented plates is essential here. Advantages: more personal service, easier for the waiter, and number 3, guests wash their food on the plates. But the biggest disadvantage, it takes a lot of time and you need a person with little bit of experience to cut the meat properly. English platter or silver service. Fetch the plates or without reshots depending on the food being served or leave on the gourmet. Fetch the platter from the kitchen, present to guest explaining the food, leave or gourmet with or without reshots. The waiter passes the platter left side counterclockwise with protocol and serves the guest with service clamps. A rapid service with well presented is essential here. Advantages: personal choice and interactive. Guests see the food and take it. Disadvantages: it takes a lot of time and guest keeps on getting disturbed. French or butler service. In this service style, fetch plates with or without reshots depending on the food being served and leave on gourmet. Fetch the platter from the kitchen, present to guest explaining the food, leave on gourmet with or without reshots. Distribute the plates, it can be cold or hot, right side clockwise or no protocol. The waiter passes with the platter left side counterclockwise and protocol, and the guests serve themselves using service, clamp, spoon and fork, or their hands depending on the food being served. The handle of the clamps should be always pointing towards the guest. The platter has to be brought close to the guest to avoid accidents. This service style is suitable for advantages of French service. Number 1 is personal service, classic old style service, but the disadvantages are it takes time. Number 2, guest gets disturbed, and the worst is some guests don't know how to use the clamp. Self-service. In this service style, the service staff set the tables, the guests help themselves or helped by chef behind the buffet. Service staff clear or in some case serve the drink. Guests should not move in one direction. Food should be placed on the buffet cold first, hot second, and then the dessert. Try to put light food before and then the heavy food. Try to avoid here big plates, as the people tend to be greedy and put too much on the plate which they can't even eat. The advantages of self-service are: number one, guest has a wide range of food, easy to clean, no waiters need professional experience, but the biggest disadvantage is the food waste here. You need to consider some points before which service you would like to have in your restaurant. Number one, kitchen layout, equipment available, types of food, skill of the staff, speed of service, final presentation, space in the dining room, and last but not least, guest wishes or need. So guys, thanks a lot for watching our video. Just comment in the message box which restaurant service you are using in your restaurant or would like to use in your restaurant.